Hello, welcome for another English tutorial clip. To start, I have here an image of your favorite character. Yes, you are right, she is Snow White. Now I want you to say something about her. Innocent, yes. Kind, cheerful. Alright, so those are the top three things that you best describe of your favorite character, Snow White. So I asked this thing to you because the topic that we are to discuss has something to do of the describing words are what we call adjectives. Yes. That's it. Describing words are adjectives. So at the end, it's not only that you can be able to identify adjectives, but also you can be able to use adjectives that describe persons, places, animals, ideas, and events. So let us now start. When you are to say adjective, it is a word that describes a person, place, animal, things, or events, right? So in this statement here, we are going to focus describing or adjective that describes person here in this statement. The man is kind. What do you think is the describing words here or word here? Yes, you are right. The word kind describes your person or your man, right? So since the word kind describes the person man, then that word kind is our adjective. Yes, so your adjective there describes a person. Yes, kind describes your person or your man. That's it. So now let's have another example. Adjective that describes a place. I have here an example, a statement here. The restaurant is simple. Again, the restaurant is simple. So the thing that describes your restaurant is the word simple. Since simple describes your restaurant, then that word simple there is our describing words, or shall we say our adjective. Yes. So the word simple once again there describes your place or your restaurant. And since it describes the word restaurant, then that word simple there is an adjective. Do you get it? Alright, good. So now let's move. Adjective is again a word that describes an animal. Animals. That's it. Example here. The snake is poisonous. So now, what do you think is the describing word there? Very good, the word poisonous. It describes an animal, your snake there, and since it describes your snake, then that word poisonous there is our adjective. So again, that's it. When you say adjective, it's not only that it describes a person, place, also with an animal or animal. So that's it. When you say once again adjective, it is a word that describes a person, place, things, animals, and event. Okay, so let us try this activity here. The direction says read a story and write down the descriptive words used. Use them in your own sentences. Here's now the story. Here's my pet Chrissy. She is healthy and funny. She looks fierce, but she is friendly. She has a red ribbon on her neck. After drinking milk, she still eats rice and fish. She is very greedy. Alright, so again, that's it. Write down the descriptive words, then again, use them in your own sentences. Let's start with this first sentence of our paragraph. Where's my pet crazy? Nothing there. She is healthy and funny. Okay, there's the word healthy. Yes, you are right. Then another is the word, yes, funny. Then she looks fierce, but she is friendly. Okay, the answer there is friendly. Yes, so you may could ask why fierce is not an adjective, because of course it describes the verb, the way she looks, no? So therefore fierce there is an adverb, right? Next, let's move. She has a red ribbon on her neck. So the word is red. That describes the ribbon. Yes. So next, after drinking milk, she still eats rice and fish. So then from that statement, then at last, she is very greedy. All right, you are right. The word greedy. So the adjectives present in this paragraph are sorry are healthy, funny, friendly, red, and greedy. So now I want you to use them in your own sentences. So that's it. Thank you so much for following. So let's now. Okay, for this activity here, the direction says complete the following sentences using the adjectives in the box. So the descriptive words present are fragrant, generous, happy, high, sharp. So this is it. As you see, I already have reflected the answers. So let's just see if my answers are right. Okay, so number one, be careful in using a sharp knife. You might get hurt. So, best thing that could describe the word knife is sharp. Yes, that's right. Next, the sampaguita flower has a fragrant smell. Alright, fragrant. Then, number three, can you climb a high mountain? Very good. High is right. So that's it. And again, when you say adjectives, they are words that describes noun, okay, a person, place, things, animals, and events. That's it. And that's it. Hopefully you have learned something tonight, and hopefully you've learned more. And see you once again for our next video. Once again, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Then do a like na rin. This is it. Okay, please hit the bell so you will be updated of our next videos. Thank you. And again, it's already morning here. Okay, bye-bye.